Welcome back to our channel, viewers. Hope you guys are having a great day. And in today's video, I'm gonna be showing you guys how you guys can save your TikTok's draft video on gallery. So if you guys want to save the draft video on your gallery, then there's a way on how you guys can do that without actually posting it. But you need to post the video, but you don't have to at the same time. You are confused, like, what the hell am I talking about? Well, watch the video until the end to find out what I'm talking about. But before that, if you guys are new to our channel app tutorial, then don't forget to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on so you guys can get notified for our future video. And if you guys have any question, you can feel free to ask us in the comment. I'll be happy to answer you guys. And let's jump into the video without any further ado. First, open your TikTok, go on profile and click on drafts. It's going to show you all the drafts which you have saved on your device. Click on the draft which you want to download. Once over here, click on next. Once you click on next where it says who can watch this video, over here it's on everyone. Click on everyone, click on only me, which means when you upload this video, only you can watch it, which means it's a private video. So click on post. Wait for some time until it posts. Now once the video posts, it's gonna be shown over here. So I need to wait for some time until the video posts. Now once you upload the private video, you click on this little button over here, this little lock button over here. Click on it, and then it's gonna show you all your private videos over here. So click on the video which you want to download. So this is the video I want to download. I click on it. I need to hold on it. Click on save video. The video has been downloaded. Wait for some time. It actually hasn't. It's just in the process. Once it says done over here, like your saving is complete. Once it's done, click on this tree line and then scroll a bit on the side and then click on where it says delete. And click on delete, and this video is now deleted. And nobody got to see that video, and you downloaded that video from your drafts. So that's how you guys can save a TikTok draft video in gallery. It's that simple. So if you guys found our video helpful, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. I'll see you guys next time.